welcome back to Pat King. This video is to show you the genuine main general reason why Speed Darlington got arrested by Burna Boy's order to the policeman in his house. So VDM here is trying to talk to the public why Burna Boy should release Speed Darlington and take a legal action against him instead of just placing order and having the police arrest him like he doesn't have right to freedom of speech. So he's saying that Burna Boy should instead sue him to court instead of just using big man to arrest him without any legal action towards that. And now we also have Darlington's mom coming out to beg the general public that she is sorry. Speed Darlington is sorry. Burna Boy, she is sorry, and just please, they should forgive him and please release him. That he is her only surviving son. He is her only hope, and that she really doesn't want anything to happen to him. So I'll leave you to watch both what Speed Darlington said that got Burna Boy offended and when he was arrested, and just a little clip of what the mother said and when she was apologizing to the general public, and VDM having to analyze the whole scenario and also even say that Speed Darlington also have been coming against him, making train shit at him, but he never just looked his way. But please, Burna Boy should have mercy and take legal action towards him. Thank you, and get subscribe to the channel, follow the page, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this Speed Darlington.
Everybody just did rush. They go America to snap with Diddy that year. But Inote, after Burna post his picture with Diddy, the next year I've been at the same particular year, Burna won Grammy. You understand me? All I they do since na chiche. So I just wonder, Burna Boy, this video I they ask you question. Don't get offended. Now question I they ask. How many oil did he drop for your nyash before them give you that trophy? Burna, how many oil did them rob for your nyash before? Burna, I'm asking you serious question. Them say them see 1,000 bottles of baby oil for Diddy house. And I know say after you snap with Diddy, you won Grammy. How many? I see magazine. You know they put oil for my body before they go give me kiniko. I just collect them off of merit. You blow after you snap with P. Diddy. You was under his arms, sucking up to Black America. Burna, come to this comment section and clear something. We want to know.
Join me to beg Burna Boy, please. Burna Boy, please. Tamper justice with mercy. Forgive Darlington. This is me, Darlington's biological mother. I am begging. I don't know what to say other than I am begging. I'm a mother. I'm a grandmother. I'm a mother. Please. He's my only son. Forgive him. Forgive him. I'm just asking for forgiveness. Please, Burna Boy, please. Please. Please, I'm begging. Forgive my son. Release him. Forgive my son, Burna Boy, please. All Darlington's fans out there, please. Join me to beg Burna Boy.
It's not guaranteed. A lot of people were laughing. Right. Now, to Burna Boy, I just want to say this to you. Burna Boy, you are not an oppressor. You understand? Don't join all these big men in Nigeria to start abusing power. You don't join them to start abusing power. Me, I will never encourage things like this. First things first. Speed Darlington don't insult me way. Do you understand? Burna Boy is somebody that I love and I respect. Do you understand? Because him, he go just speak in mind, he go come on. But Burna Boy, now, I talk to you direct. You are not an oppressor. If whatever thing Speed Darlington said to you, you feel like he defamed you, take him to court. Do you understand? Take him to court. Thank God you are influential, you have a lot of money, you are a big man. Do you understand? You can pay the best lawyers, take him to court. You cannot be joining, you are one of us at the end of the day, Burna. You be one of us, you're a street guy. Don't let all these big men lie till they enter you, whether they want to use power, they use their police connection, they take pick people because of say they say something. At the end of the day, the guy gave his own free speech. Now free speech fidelity talk. I don't care what he talk about you. Do you understand? I don't care, to be honest. but na free speech. Now you go come decide say okay, this free speech where this guy talk, he can't impound, he can't spoil my own name, he spoil my integrity. Oh yeah, let's go to court. I will sue you for this, I will sue you for that. We will use sentiment a lot in this country. Do you understand? We use sentiment a lot. Burna Boy, I beg. If you are the one that's currently holding Fidelity, please take him to court. Don't be taking people to police station. You are not an oppressor. You are not one of all these politicians. You know be politician. You know be big men where they try to cover their secrets. Are you a big man where you want to cover secrets? You be streets like us. You understand? You're not streets like us. Leave all this matter I beg. If you want to do them the right way, yes, you don't get so yeah, go charge and go court. Meanwhile, this Fidelity service, I mean, you talk anyhow. I tell you, even me myself, you don't watch me, don't talk anyhow, they go. They talk anyhow about a lot of people. People should take him to court. I will never encourage oppression, even though it did against me. Even though I knew they talk about, and even though me myself know 1 or 2 policemen, I will not tell them that they should go and arrest anybody on my behalf. Why would I do that? No matter the money I have, I will never do that. Take them to court, sue them. And mind you, Nigerian police, to be honest, this thing of talk, insult me, I insult you, talk, I talk. When I don't pass that level, you have better things